Which is better, mechanical or electrical engineering? Engineering as a degree program and as a profession, it is hard but a very lucrative option. It is home to many sub-disciplines. Choosing which field to settle may become a hard discussion. Well, both mechanical and electrical engineering are definitely cool, but I would say electrical engineering is cooler. My definition of cool here is the ability to use your electrical engineering skills to build things yourself with your own hands, things like robots, drones, sensors, etc. Really work off technology that uses electricity. These are the things that you can build in your room in a reasonable amount of time and with a practical amount of money. Mechanical engineering and electrical engineering are both good programs and professions. However, electrical engineering is the bridge between the computer science and the mechanical engineering. So if you are looking for the better pay option, then definitely electrical engineering is the best option. Thanks.